This is KOMU 8 News at 6.
Moberly police officials are still investigating a shots fired call that came in early this morning. Good evening, I'm Lauren Richardson. Services for the blind are again in the crosshairs of potential budget cuts in Missouri. A House Appropriations Committee says it wants to eliminate funding for a program that helps the blind find jobs. But the lawmaker chiefly responsible for the cut says she is now rethinking that recommendation. Republican House member Sue Allen of St. Louis County says she thought she was only cutting administrative expenses when she made that recommendation. Health officials issued a warning for a deadly bacteria that's traveling through hospitals across the country. The bacteria is called CRE. CDC officials say it's a nightmare because it's resistant to some of the most powerful antibiotics around.
It's nearly time for spring sports tryouts, but imagine how your kiddo would feel if the doctor said they're too overweight to play.
NBC's Lindsay Wilcox shares one boy's remarkable health transformation. Officials from the CDC say the obesity rate in Missouri is more than 30%. Reports show southern states usually have the highest obesity rates in the country.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Elise O'Joni.
And I'm Lauren Richardson. Filling up your car is costing an average of 20 cents more per gallon. This price hike happening just overnight. Yesterday, the average price per gallon for regular unleaded fuel was $3.49 in Columbia. Today, the price is $3.69. On a national level, the increase has not been as dramatic. Yesterday's average was around $3.65, and now it's $3.68. BMW is recalling close to 570,000 cars in the U.S. and Canada. The company says a problem with the battery cable connector could cause the cars to stall unexpectedly. BMW is recalling close to 570,000 cars in the U.S. and Canada. The company says a problem with the battery cable connector could cause the cars to stall unexpectedly.